Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll explore 10 incredible benefits of eating sprouts and how they can transform your health. You'll also learn the correct way to prepare and enjoy sprouts to get the most out of them. Plus, we'll share long-term tips for storing and using sprouts safely. Stay tuned to discover all the do's and don'ts for making sprouts a healthy part of your routine. Sprouts, like moong and chana, are a natural energy booster. They're rich in proteins, which keep you full and energized throughout the day. Women often feel drained juggling multiple roles, and sprouts can be your quick recharge snack. Add them to breakfast or as a midday snack to stay active and refreshed. Sprouts are low in calories and high in fiber, making them perfect for weight loss. They keep you feeling full for longer and help avoid junk food cravings. Their high water content also helps curb appetite naturally. Try steamed sprouts with a pinch of black salt, lemon, and a dash of chili powder for a quick, satisfying snack. Sprouts, especially moong dal sprouts, are great for digestion. They're easy to digest and rich in enzymes that improve gut health. Their alkaline nature helps balance stomach acidity, preventing heartburn and indigestion. Eating raw sprouts in salads or lightly steamed ones can keep your tummy happy and reduce bloating. Sprouts are packed with vitamins A, C, and A, along with minerals like iron and potassium. These nutrients are essential for glowing skin, strong hair, and overall women's health. They also boost energy levels, making them a great addition to your breakfast. Include a handful of mixed sprouts in your daily meals to get your nutrient dose naturally. Moong and methi sprouts are excellent for balancing hormones. They help reduce PMS symptoms and support reproductive health. Regular intake can also improve mood swings by regulating hormone levels. Start your mornings with a small bowl of sprouts to see long-term benefits. Sprouts like chickpeas and soybeans are rich in calcium and magnesium, which helps strengthen your bones. Women often face bone density issues as they age, and regular intake of sprouts can keep your bones healthy and strong. Adding them to your meals also helps prevent joint pain and stiffness. For women managing diabetes or prediabetes, sprouts are a blessing. They have a low glycemic index and stabilize blood sugar levels. The fiber in sprouts also slows down sugar absorption, ensuring steady energy levels. A small portion of steamed sprouts with veggies can be a perfect addition to your diet. Sprouts, especially methi and alfalfa, are loaded with antioxidants. These fight free radicals in your body and keep your immune system strong. Regular consumption can help ward off seasonal illnesses and improve recovery from colds. Adding sprouts to soups or dals is a simple way to stay healthy during flu season. Sprouts like moong dal are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that detoxify your body, leading to clearer, glowing skin. They also reduce acne and wrinkles by repairing skin cells from within. Use them in salads or make a sprout chart for a beauty boost with every bite. Sprouts are a great source of biotin and zinc, essential for hair growth and reducing hair fall. Regular consumption can make your hair thicker and shinier. Their amino acids strengthen hair roots and promote scalp health. Sprinkle sprouted seeds over your poha or upma for a quick fix. Now let us see how to take sprouts. To get the maximum benefits, always soak your sprouts overnight and rinse them thoroughly. Eat them raw for better nutrition or steam them lightly if you have a sensitive stomach. Add them to salads, soups, or sandwiches to make your meals more interesting and nutritious. Pair sprouts with a squeeze of lemon and some spices for a tangy and healthy snack. Remember to store them in a cool place or refrigerate to maintain their freshness. Avoid frying sprouts or adding heavy dressings, as they can reduce their health benefits. Consume sprouts within 2 to 3 days to enjoy their peak freshness and nutrition. Here are a few do's to keep in mind. Store sprouts in a cool, dry place to maintain their freshness. Always wash them thoroughly before eating to remove dirt or bacteria. Remember to consume fresh sprouts within 2 days to enjoy their peak nutrition. Soaking sprouts overnight enhances their nutrients, making them even healthier. And don't forget to include them in dishes like salads, soups, or chaat to keep your meals exciting and balanced. Now, let's talk about the don'ts. Never eat stale or slimy sprouts, as they can upset your stomach. Avoid adding too much salt or spices, which can diminish their natural health benefits. If you have a sensitive stomach, skip eating raw sprouts and opt for lightly steamed ones. Don't store sprouts in warm or humid places, as they spoil quickly. Lastly, overcooking sprouts should be avoided because it reduces their nutrient value. In today's video, we learned why sprouts are a superfood for women's health. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and perfect for weight loss by reducing cravings. Sprouts improve digestion, balance hormones, and support reproductive health. They're packed with nutrients that strengthen bones, enhance skin and hair health, and keep you energized. Additionally, their antioxidants detoxify the body and boost immunity. Make sprouts a part of your daily diet for a healthier, stronger you. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thanks for watching today's video. Sprouts are a powerhouse for women's health, offering benefits for weight loss, digestion, and much more. Try incorporating them into your meals for a natural health boost. Remember to follow the tips on preparation and storage for the best results. Stay healthy and we'll see you in the next video.